I'll be teaching you guys how to make images and tables on HTML. So let's get started. So I have a code of what I made yesterday before I was actually going to make the video. But here it is. So basically we have company names and other stuff. So basically, let's change all of this and make it more good. So we can keep contract and company, but let's change this to Costco. And we can search up who made Costco. James Single. So we can go here and type in, what was his name again?
James and
James Single. And we can also ask where Costco was made. Costco was founded in the United States. So we could do, so we would put in Seattle. But we put country, so we have to put United States. United States. Then another one we can do is Tesco. Tesco. So Tesco. We already know where Tesco is founded from what we just searched up, which was in the UK. And it was founded by a man called Jack Cocken. Okay, so now we know that. Let's move on to images, IMG. So type in IMG and it'll give us RT. Forget about the alt. So let's find a random picture. Picture of Tesco would be nice. So basically, you have to add the image as a file. You have to, no, before that actually, you have to rename the image to what it is. So it'll be the first thing here. So, so you click rename if I can find it. One second. Um, yeah. So you have to rename it to test to whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have to be on Tesco and Costco. I just chose it because it was the first thing that came up in my brain. But anyways, let's click open file and let's go on Tesco's.
We clicked on my project. What?
So we're gonna add Tesco web up, and if we can do CLC to see if it'll take us to the right place. So we click go live, and as you can see, it gives us a list. I know it's not very styled, but I'll be teaching you guys how to style it in the next video. So we have a company, contract, country, Costco, James Single, United States, Tesco, Jack Cocken, UK. Anyways, that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.